Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Nabil Ghifari. I will to provide some explanation and step a vacuum cleaner properly and correctly. For that, let's look at everything this video. Look at a power outlet near the area you intend to clean. Plug the vacuum cleaner's power cord into the outlet. Then plug the connection pipe into the air slide valve. Activate the vacuum cleaner by passing the power switch. Start vacuuming from one end of the area you want to clean and move in slow. Turn off the vacuum cleaner by pressing the power switch. Disconnect the connection pipe from the air slide valve. Unplug the vacuum cleaner power cord into the power outlet. Return the vacuum cleaner to its original place. I think that's enough explanation and step for using a vacuum cleaner. Finally, thank you for watching with your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.